getting serious now, folks. It says warning, crocodiles inhabit this area. It says danger from September to April. Dangerous box jellyfish may be present in these waters. So it's yeah, got to be a little bit careful. I'm going to go down here though and have a look at the river, but I'm not getting anywhere near too close because of that crocodile sign. Looks like crocodile country as well. Mud flats and bloody mud flats and murky water. So this little town I'm at is called Clairview, and it's about an hour and a half south of Mackay in Queensland. It's very, very little, but all the houses are right on the beach. I'm at the boat ramp now, and it's so nice. Got to be careful of the jellyfish and the crocodiles, so the sign says, but I'll show you the boat ramp. The caravan park is just over there, right on the beach. It's lovely. We'll go down here. A couple of guys in their boats. So that's my stretch and walk, and get back in the car and keep driving north now. Clairview though, I like it. It's really good. And the high tide, I guess the high tide's right up the beach. So high tide, you'll be able to walk straight out of your house, grab your tinny off the sand and off you go. It's not too hot either, it's just nice. You know, I'll keep driving. Well, I'm just at Serena Beach now. Hopefully that wind's not too bad for you. We've got the house here and the beach here. I'll go down and have a look because it goes a long way both directions. We'll go take a quick look. Pretty nice. There's a few more beaches north, so I'm still south of Mackay, but I'm getting closer. I think Mackay's about 30 minutes away. There's a few other beaches I'll check out, and then I should be at Mackay, I think, with a bit of luck. But no swimming because there's jellyfish and crocodile signs, so you know, we'll go to the next one. Well, I haven't left that little town yet, but I'm up at the lookout, and look how beautiful the view is. That's the Whitsundays behind me there. It's just absolutely beautiful, and it's not even the best day, but it's still beautiful. Very nice. So I made it to Mackay, and I'm just cooking some food, some 4 eggs and some pork and some beef, and this will last me, this is 2 days worth of meat, 1 day's worth of eggs, and I have my other stuff which is already raw. Well, everything else is raw, so this is all I've got to cook, but I do this once a day. So yeah, so this is the park. I'm sure there's more to it. I'm going to have a look after I cook my dinner. I don't want to do it in the dark or when it gets too late, because it gets a bit scary and the mosquitoes come out. The beach is just over there. I'll finish cooking my food and then have a bit of a look around before it gets dark, and then go to the gym after that, and then carry on. Tomorrow is my last day of driving for a bit, because I get to Early Beach, which is where I'm heading for. And yeah, God, the flies are all over the meat. Anyway, I'll keep cooking this, and yeah, try not to cook any flies. So I'm all done now. Finished cooking. 2 days worth of meat, eggs. That's it. Clean up and have a look on the beach, I guess. Find something else to do. I tell you what, this is pretty cool. The water is way out. But the beach is huge. I think I saw a sign somewhere saying no cars on the beach, but I could be wrong. But this would be a magnificent beach for driving your car on. Quite amazing. I didn't know what to expect, but this is way bigger. There seems to be a big jetty out there. I'm sure you can't see it through the GoPro, but somewhere, I thought that way, down here, I thought there was a big jetty, and I was going to drive down and take a look at that, so I'm going to see if I can find it somewhere. But this is nice. See you in the next video. If you like the video, hit subscribe, hit the like button. That way you'll get notified to all my new videos as I upload them, and I'll see you in the next video.